Today's video is very interesting because I am going to compare the image quality of different free image-generated AI apps so that you can choose the one according to your need. So let's get started.
The first app is Leonardo.ai. After logging in, click on the Create Image. Here I will enter a simple prompt, a photorealistic image of a girl walking in rain facing towards camera. I will select the model as Flux and also change the style. Now, click on the Generate button. It has generated these images, but they doesn't look more realistic. Now we will select a different model. Here I will select GPT Image 1. It is a new model Leonardo that has introduced. Now click on the Generate button. This looks a more realistic image as compared to the other models. Now the next app is Halo.ai, and in its image creation we will enter the prompt. As you can see, it has generated these 4 images. The quality of these images is quite good. We will check these images one by one. Another app we will use is called ChatGPT. We will place the prompt here and then click on the Generate button. It has generated this image which looks quite realistic. The only shortcoming it has is it generates only one image at a time. Now let's check another popular app, that is K-Link. After you sign in with Google account, select the image button from here. After entering the prompt, click on the Generate button. It has generated these images which are not what are required. We can also use this option DeepSeek to generate detailed prompt. Copy this prompt and then generate again. These images look better now. Next app is Ideogram. After signing in, enter the prompt and select the style as realistic. You can also change the aspect ratio from here. I will select the YouTube ratio. Then click on the Generate button. It has generated these 4 images which are quite good. Let's check these images one by one. Now the next app is Design. It has got different options like consistent character, image to video, enhance, etc. We will select text to image. We will enter the prompt here and click on the Generate button. It has generated these 2 images. Let's check them. It looks quite realistic. We can also check its background remover option also. Here paste any image and click on the BG remove button. That's a very useful tool you can use for free. Now another app that generates images for free is Meta.ai. When you enter the prompt, it will generate the following images. These look quite realistic. Let's check them. The quality of these images look quite wonderful. Now the next app is Deco here. At its home page, we will select Generate Image from the options given here. When I enter the prompt, it has generated these 4 images, which are also quite good. Now we can check its another feature, that is real-time AI. As we keep on writing, it generates images in real time. It has generated quite a number of images without watermark. Now the last app is Clipfly. At its home page, it has variety of options from image to image and video editor. But we will select text to image from AI image. It has variety of styles. I will select photorealistic and enter the prompt. Then click on the Generate button. It has generated this image which looks quite realistic, but it's from the back. The prompt needs to be changed a little. Now click on the Generate button again. This looks quite better now.
Now we are going to compare these images. If you like my video, click on the like button below. And don't forget to subscribe my channel to know more about different AI tools.